Hello everyone, I am Priya. This digital board is produced by Smart Pixel. Today, as we gather to explore a fascinating world of Smart Pixel digital board. In this digital age where technology continues to redefine the way we communicate, learn and collaborate, Smart Pixel Interactive Flat Panel stands at the forefront of innovation, revolutionizing the traditional classroom and boardrooms experience alike. Let's see what we are getting here. So this is the Smart Pixel digital board. As you can see here, the design looks so professional and perfect with a metallic body, aluminium alloy frame with 4mm toughened glasses for extra security. USB ports you will get at the front and at the back as well. On the back, you will get the extra container for OPS connectivity. And as front, you can see here the USB 3.0, touch cable, HDMI, Type-C with power button. This digital board comes with 220 volts power speaker for surrounding sound system. And for smooth writing, you will get this stylus pen. And this stylus pens come with two writing pointers. One on the top, second on the bottom. This was the outer frame info of this Smart Pixel digital board. Now let's dive into its internal function. As you can see here on a display, just tick. You will get the menu dock here and it's appeared from both sides on the screen, like left hand side also and the right hand side also. And this small circle comes with icons. It's called navigation dock, and apps you are seeing here like a setting, whiteboard, mirroring and more applications. We'll talk about them later. Let us find out about internal system information on the side here. It's called a menu dock. First icon is the reverse option. Second one is the home option. Third one is the option that means whatever application you have been used previously, you can able to see. Fourth option is a mark option. It's a live annotation option. We'll see them later. What I am showing you here is a Smart Pixel interactive flat panel. We also call it by name of interactive board, whiteboard and smart screen. This interactive flat panel can be used in a smart classroom, schools, hospitals and conference halls and many more places. So let's talk about the tools here. In the menu dock, you will get the shortcut tools. First is Ethernet, Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, screenshot, iVision, restart, screen off, curtains, spotlights, auto backlights and many more. In meantime, I will explain you what are these tools used for. Firstly, we'll go to the settings. In settings, the network status are there. You can connect with Wi-Fi, Ethernet and hotspot. In general, custom option is there. That means you can customize your wallpaper as per your need. If you want to put your logo on the back side of the panel, you can do it. Sound is adjustable. Display is adjustable. In display, brightness is adjustable and it comes with image mode like standard, bright, brilliant and custom. Compass is there, gesture interaction is there and screen recording is there. You can record the whole screen, and screen recording resolution is HD and Full HD. And there are a sound source like a media source, microphone sound, media plus microphone. And screen record time limit, it's a 120 minutes and it's adjustable as per your need. Let's go to the device. In device, you can connect Bluetooth, printer, microphone and camera. There is a channel and system. In system, you will get the date and time, language and input, method, power status, system update, system security and about. In about, you can see here the device name, that is IFP13B7. IFP means interactive flat panel. Running memory is 8 GB RAM and storage space is a 128 GB ROM. Resolution is a 4K resolution you will get, and Android version we have 12, 13 and 14. Here you can see the 12 version, but you will get the Android 14, that is the latest version. CPU core is 8, GPU core is 4. This is about the settings. So let's dive into the more applications. In more applications, you will get such applications like a Drive, PowerPoint presentation, Excel sheet. And the first application here, it's a Play Store. That means you can download any applications like a 3D applications for the education, and for the conference meeting, you can download the Zoom application, meeting application here. Let's talk about the Whiteboard software. In the Whiteboard software, you will see the many options over here. So we'll see one by one. So firstly, these 3 lines. Here you can see the new options. If you want to create something new, you can do that. Open option. There are saved files are there if you want to open it by clicking yes or no. Another one is a save option. You can save your file format by source file, PDF, images and locals. Save as option is the same option as a save. Upload to cloud. You can add your account like a Google Drive or OneDrive here. And if you want to send that files, select the format here like a PNG and PDF. Another one is a scan option. So here you can write anything on the Whiteboard software, and if you want to directly send to the student by their devices like tablets and phones, so user have to scan the QR code, and whatever the work you have done previously, it will go to their mobile through by the PDF form. Another one is an email. Another one is a setting. In setting options, here you can see the time display switch, background settings. In background settings, you can change the color as well. And there are grid options are there, like some grid options. You can choose any type of. And custom. That means if you want to put your logo from the back side of the panel or back side of the whiteboard, you can do that. Another option is an exit option. Here you can see the pages. You can add as many as pages you want, like about 200 pages you can add this. Next option is a partition option. We have 3 types of partition option. First is a split screen or a split partition option. Here you can draw or write anything at a single time simultaneously. It means 2 users can write or draw anything at a single time. Next one is a 3 partition option. That means 3 people can write or do anything at a single time. Fourth option is the 4 users can write or draw anything at a single time. So let's coming to these options. Here you will get the many options and the most important options over here, like the pen options, eraser option, select option, shape option, and the options you will get many icons. We'll see one by one. Firstly, we'll go to the pen options. Here you can see the 5 types of pen. First is a normal pen, second is a brush pen, third is a ink pen, fourth pen that change your font, and fifth is a shape recognition pen. And this is the thickness. You can increase or decrease the thickness as per your need. Another one, this is the color options you will get. And this color options you can change as per your stylus pen. Like this is the top tip of the pen, and in top tip I want red color, and this is the bottom tip of the pen, and in bottom tip I want the black color. So this is the pen options. So we'll see the 4th and 5th pen. So 4th pen is change your font. So if I write on my own handwriting like Smart Pixel, it will change the font, right? So next option is a shape recognition option. That means you can draw any type of circle, any type of triangle, like any type of circle, it will convert it into a perfect shape. Any type of triangle, it will convert it into a perfect triangle. This is the shape recognition options you will get. Coming to the next option, this is the eraser options. So 4 types of eraser you will get. First is a erase, like you have to just click on the eraser and you can erase simply. Another one, you have to just select the particular area. Like I want to select this particular area. You have to just click on first and it will remove. Next option, you can use your palm like a duster as well. And there are so much writing on the board and you want to erase in a one swipe, you can do that. You have to just click on the one swipe, all the board will erase. Another one is a select option. You can select any icons over here. Another one is a shape option. So we have two types of shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So what you have to do here, so you have to just click on the 2D shapes and drag. Click and drag. This is the 2D shapes. Same as a 3D shape, you have to just click and drag. Click and drag. This is the 2D and 3D shapes you will get. So I have to just clear all the board first. Another one, this options you will get many icons. We'll see one by one. The first option is file options. Whatever the files, whatever the pictures you have saved here and you want that pictures on your whiteboard, so you have to click on this pictures and plus it will show on a whiteboard software. Like you have to select this image. If you want to increase it, you can increase. If you want to decrease, you can decrease. The clone options are also there. And if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Another option is a table options. Here you can select any type of table, like 2 rows and 3 columns. So in table, you will get the 2 column icons and the rows icons. So I'll show you. You have to just select this one. First, here you can see the insert column from left, insert column from right and delete the column. So I want insert column from right. So you have to just click on this. The column is inserted. Another one is the row options. Here you can see the insert row from top, insert row from bottom and delete the row. So I want from top, you can see. Okay. So, and you can put anywhere on the whiteboard software. So this is the table. Another one we can see here, geometry set. This is the geometry set you will get. You can use accordingly as per your need. Another one option is like if you want to connect the HDMI through by laptop, if you want to click or if you want to switch on the OPS, you can do that because there are many options here. OPS, HDMI, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DP and VGA. You can switch it easily. Another one is a mind map. So you can write anything over here. Like if I write HP or there are points like a first, second, third. Okay. So I can add these columns as well. You can add column as much as you want. This is the mind map you will get. Another one is a WPS software. Here you can save any type of PDF and if you want to open it on directly on the whiteboard, you can do that and you can refer it. Another one is a videos options. You can save the videos like a screen recording videos, YouTube videos or the normal videos. You can play it directly. Another one is the main option for the teaching purpose as well and the conference purpose as well. That is a Google option. You have to click on the Google options and you can search anything that you want. But I want this one, like if I draw or if I write anything on the board directly, like if I write heart and I want all the information regarding heart, so I have to just click on the select options. Here you can see the many options, like you can change the color as well, right? The another one is a search options. You can search directly. Here you will get all the informations about heart, like the functions, all the things, anatomy you will get here. Okay. But I want images on my board. So what I have to do, I have to just click on this image, and you have to just click 3 seconds, and that image will directly go to your whiteboard software. So you have to just click on the 3 seconds and it will here, right? You can increase or decrease the size as well, and there are clone options also. And as I told you that there are annotation options, you can annotate this one as well. You have to just click on this pane options. You can annotate directly. Another one is a poll kit options you will get. So here you have to put any type of subject, and options you can write it like option 1 and option 2. There are a QR code is generated, so you have to scan the QR code. Whatever the options are there, you can select the options and you will get all the answer by the clicking on a next step. Another one is a stopwatch options. You can set timing like a 3 hours or 9 hours. After 3 hours or 9 hours, this stopwatch is automatically sound up. Another option is a undo and redo option. Another one option is like if I write anything on the board, like, right? And there are last option is you have this one and this one. So basically this one option is you can minimize or maximize the word easily. Another one is a this options. This option means this panel has 20 touch prints available, means 20 people can write or touch anything at a single time. I'll show you. This option is like, this is my 10 fingers, you can see. So this is the whiteboard software. The last option here is the transcreen. The transcreen seems like a versatile option for multitasking across different devices. It's convenient that it supports multiple devices simultaneously, enabling seamless connectivity for tablets, laptops, and cell phones. However, the requirements for all devices to be on the same Wi-Fi connection might be limitation in some scenarios, especially if you're trying to connect devices from different networks or locations. Overall, it sounds like a handy tool for streamlining your workflow or entertainment experience. The interactive flat panel sounds like a robust and flexible option for both work and entertainment purposes. With support for multiple operating systems such as Android 12, 13 and 14 and Windows version of 10 and 11. Users have the freedom to choose the platform that the best suits for their needs. The range of configurations from 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage provides ample power storage capacity for various tasks. Moreover, the availability of panel in size range from 55 inches to 110 inches ensure that users can select the appropriate size based on their workspace or viewing preferences. This versatility combined with its processing capabilities makes the interactive flat panel a compelling choice for individuals and business alike who require a reliable and adaptable display solutions. I hope you have found the information about the Smart Pixel Interactive Flat Panel informative and enjoyable. For more information, please visit our website. Link is in description. Book live demo session for complete transparency, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update and more informative videos like this. Thank you very much.